welcome to my channel Career Zone. So today I am here to show you something in series printing. Today I am going to show you that how you can print the even series, and then we will print the odd series, and then I am going to show you that how you can print the series in descending order. It's quite an easy program. Just be with me and you can practice along with me also. Open the system and just type the coding and run the program. So let us begin. First of all, I am going to print the even series. So in even series, just you need to use your logic that as the series is starting from 2 and it is going till 100, so obviously the lower limit is 2 and the upper limit is 100. And then in even series we can see that there is a difference of two numbers. So I am going to show you the quick easy code to print the even series. However, we can start the even series from 1 to 100 also, but for that we need to increase our coding for checking that the number which we are going to print, it is even or odd. So first of all, I am going to show you the very easiest one. So let us start the loop. For the loop, I am using here for loop, I variable, I in range, and then the series is going to start from 2 comma 100. So now as the series there are two options. We can increment the value by 2, as the by default increment goes from 1. So in earlier program we were doing the printing the stars where the increment the value is incremented second time by 1, but here we can see that after 2 4 is the even number, so obviously the value by which it is incremented is not 1, it is 2. So I am going to write here the incremented value which is 2, and that's it. Just print the value of I. Now when the first time it is going to loop will execute, it will print 2, and the second time after incrementing it will print 4. Let us see the output. Is it coming according to the expected one or not? I'm going to save it with the even name. So let's see. Oh, we got the same output which we have expected. The number series started from 2 till 100. To make it more clear, I can decrease the value here till let it be till 20, so that we can see it in one window. We don't need to scroll down. So here you can see that it is very easy to print the even series. So quickly let us start the odd series now. For odd printing, you can see the value starts from 1 and it is going till 99. Obviously 100 is not an odd number. I can write it till 100 as well. But I am going to write it started from 1 and it will go till 99, and here also we can see that the incremented value is 2. So after 1 3 is the odd number. So it is a very easy to print the odd and even series when you are doing Python programming. See, and why it is not showing the last value 99? Because after incrementing the upper limit is excluded. So if you want to print it till 99, you need to write here 100. Let's begin and see the program again. Now see, that's the output. I will decrease the value here also so that you can easily understand that are we getting the same value which we are expecting or not. So see, so this is the even number series. It's quite easy to print the even series also. Now we will start printing the series in descending order, where the upper limit is the largest value and the lower limit is the lesser value. So we need to decrement the value by 1. So what we are going to do, I am going to write here 10, and let us write here till 1, and for decrementing I am going to write here -1. For incrementing, if you want to increment and print from 1 to 10, there is no need to write any incremented value. However, for the decreasing the value, for decrement we need to write -1, then only it is going to print. Now let's see the output. 10 9 8 7. You can see here, as we have not used here 0, so we are not getting the 1 value, because you know that the last limit is always excluded. So I have written 0. Now I am going to get the decrement value from 10 to 1. So I hope you have understood this. It is quite easy to print the even series, odd series, ascending and descending order series. So let us print the ascending one as well, starting from 1 to 10. And for ascending, if you want to get the value from 1 to 10, you need to write here 11, otherwise it will print till 9 only. Let's see what is the output here. Now when I run this program, I'm going to get the value, see, till 9, because 10 is excluded. So I will write here 11 and then I will run the program. For the positive increment, you don't need to write any value 1. Even if you write, it is not going to give you any error. However, if you want to increment the value by 2 or 3 position or 2 or 3 numbers, then you need to write the increment value. You can see I have written here increment the value by 3. So it is printing 1, 4, 7 and 10. So I hope you have understood this, how we can increment and decrement the series, how we can print it in ascending and descending order, or how we can print the even and odd series. So practice it at home. If you want the answer of any particular pattern or any particular program in Python, you can write in the comment section below. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Thank you so much.